Okay guys, we're going to do 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication using the area model, and we're going to see how it connects to the standard algorithm. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a problem. 27 times 38. Okay? Now, as I do in every multiplication problem, I always want to start with an estimate. Okay? So I'm going to take 27, I'm going to round it up to 30. I'm going to multiply that times 38, which rounds up to 40. That has 2 zeros, and 4 times 3 is 12. So my estimate is 1,200. Since I rounded both of my factors up, I know that 1,200 is greater than the actual answer will be. Okay? Next, I'm going to go ahead and break each of these numbers up into their parts. So I have 20 and 7. And I have 30 and 8. I'm going to go ahead and make an area model. Okay, so there is my area model. I'm going to go ahead and start by multiplying the ones place with the 8, since I always like to start from the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and use yellow right now so we can see where this goes over here on the standard algorithm. So 8 times 7 is 56. Okay, so over here, 8 times 7 is 56. I write my 6, and I put my 5 tens in the tens place. Okay, 8 times 20 is 160. So here I have 8 times 20 is 160, but in this particular case, I have to add these 5 tens, so I actually have 21 tens. 8 times 2 tens is 16 tens plus 5 tens is 21 tens. So I have 216. And if I add these two numbers here, I also get 216. Okay? Now, as I taught you in class, once you use it, you lose it. Okay? Next, I'm going to multiply times my tens. Now, when I'm multiplying times 10, my answer always ends with a 0. So I'm going to go ahead and put that 0 there just to get going. Now, I have 30 times 7, which is 210, or 21 tens. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of those tens here, and I'm going to put the 20 tens up here. Okay? Then I have 30 tens times 20 tens, which is 600. Okay? And over here, 30 tens times 20 tens is 60 tens, or 600. And here I have another 2 tens, or 200s, I'm sorry, so that's 800, okay? And you'll notice over here, I also have 810. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add these partial products. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 1, 10 is 2 tens. 200s plus 800s are 1000s, or 1000. Let's check it over here. 6, 110 plus 110 is 2 tens. 800s plus 200s is 1000s, or 1000. My answer is 1026. I always want to go back and take a look at my estimate. My estimate was 1200. I knew that my correct answer would be less than 1200, and my answer is 1026. So that is a reasonable answer for this problem. Okay, once again, we solved a multiplication problem using an area model and the standard algorithm.